We can wait for 1 minute. Others to join. Okay. Just sharing my screen. Meanwhile, if you have any questions, you can ask them.
Uh, Anji, I want to talk to you in person. So can I make a call after this session?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. So I'm going to the next option. Release instance. Next option is release instance. Next option is release instance. I'm just clicking on the release instance. So what is a release instance? Yes, we have created one service now instance. This is our service now instance we created. I don't want to keep this instance with me. I don't want to keep this service now instance with me. So I'm planning to throw out the service now instance. I want to throw out the service now instance from my service now developer account. You may select the appropriate reason. I'm no longer using my instance. I want, for instance, I'm not able to log in. My instance is not a having a different, yeah, whatever it may be the reason. Okay, you can tell the reason and you just click on release instance. Your instance will be gone from your developer account. Got it, everyone? When you click on release instance, your service now instance will be gone. Okay, if you don't want your service now instance within your developer account, you just go for release instance. You can choose the appropriate reason and you just click on release instance. This instance will be gone from your developer account. Okay, this is about release instance. So if you come here, we have another option called reset and wipe instance. Reset and wipe instance. I'm just clicking on reset and wipe instance. This is also similar to release instance only. It's kind of okay. Here you can see we have reset and wipe instance. So like why we have this reset and wipe instance is, for example, you have created one service now instance. For this service now instance, this is the instance ID generated. For example, if you don't want this instance ID, if you don't want this service now instance, you want another service now instance. You want another service now instance. Maybe you can select appropriate option and you can click on reset and wipe instance. You can say, do you want to keep using instance name? Yes, I want to keep the service now instance. I'm just clicking on reset and wipe instance. So when we select this option and when we click on reset and wipe instance, what happens? So whatever the customizations we have done within the service now instance, it will be gone. Okay. So we have created one service now instance. We have done for example, we have done multiple customizations. Okay. So you want this service now instance as a fresh instance. You want to remove all your customizations. You want to remove all your customizations. Then you just come for reset and wipe instance. You can select S and you can click on reset and wipe instance. Then this in your instance name will be same again. Okay. If you select no, then it will create a new service now instance for us. Then it will create a new service now instance for you. Got it, everyone? If you want to delete whatever the customizations you done within your service now instance, you have to go for reset and wipe instance. Okay. Otherwise, if you want new service now instance instead of existing one, then also you have to select no here and you have to click on reset and wipe instance and just closing it. Next, change user role. Change user role. So if you select App Engine Studio Creator, okay, so it will create your instance will be related to App Engine Studio Creator. Okay, you can able to create a applications by using App Engine. But in our case, as a service node developer, we have to select a admin. like somebody come to me within our training sessions saying that, so whatever the navigations you are showing within the class, it is not appearing for us. Somebody will tell like that. So the main first thing you have to check is what role selected for your service now instance. Service now developer account. Okay. So if it is admin, like as a service now developer, we will do everything. If it is app engine studio creator, we only do the create the application by using app engine studio. Okay. Here the role is always admin. Here the role is always admin. Okay. I'm just closing it. Next, remove demo data. Remove demo data. So I'm going to my service now instance. For example, I'm just clicking on incident. I'm just clicking on incident. Where is incident application? You can come here. You can see under incident, I'm clicking on all. If you observe that within this ServiceNow instance, when we are installing a ServiceNow instance, some demo data also loaded. When you created a ServiceNow instance, some demo data also created. Okay. So if you don't want this demo data, you can come here. So remove demo data. You can click on remove demo data. So for example, if we see incident table, so here we have some demo data. Like this, within ServiceNow instance, for each table having some demo data for our understanding purpose. If you don't want this demo data, then you can come to the remove demo data. You just select it and you can click on remove demo data. It will remove the entire demo data from your ServiceNow instance. It will remove the entire demo data from your ServiceNow instance. This is remove demo data option. Just closing it. Manage instance password, you already know. For example, I have created new password for our ServiceNow training instance. I have created new password for our training instance. Maybe after 1 or 2 days, I forgot the password. After 1 or 2 days, I forgot the password. I don't remember which password I have given for my ServiceNow training instance. Then you can come here and you can click on reset instance password. You can click on reset instance password. It will update the your instance password. When you click on reset instance password, it will update the your instance password. Okay. Then
Uh,
yeah, sorry, like Sai Lakshmi. Go ahead.
so ఇక్కడ ఈమెయిల్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ ఏ కాపీ ఆఫ్ యువర్ లాగిన్ క్రెడెన్షియల్స్ అంటే మన
You will
లాగిన్
receive
క్రెడెన్షియల్.
a email. You will receive a email about these details.
ఓకే.
Okay.
So if we want to get an email, we can click on this email and we will get all the details.
Yes. About user
Oh,
ID, password, instance. Okay, these details you will get. Okay.
okay. User ID and password కూడా వస్తుందా?
Yes. I'm just clicking on email yourself a copy. You can see what details will receive. You can see we email you login credentials to this email address. You can go there and you can check that particular mail ID. It may take few minutes to receive the email. You can see service developer instance password details. Instance name, instance URL, user ID, and password. Got it?
Yes, got it.
So when you click on reset instance password, it will generate a new password. When you click on a reset new instance password means it will generate a new password. Next option is upgrade instance. Next option is upgrade instance. So you can see latest version of our ServiceNow instance is Ecoma. Latest version of our ServiceNow instance is Ecoma. Okay. So we are already in Ecoma ServiceNow instance. We are already in Ecoma ServiceNow instance. So maybe if we are in lower versions of the service now instance, before a comma what X node, before a comma version, it should be a X node. For example, if your instance is in X node, W X Y. Before to X node, it should be Washington version. Okay. If your instance is in Washington or X node, those are the previous versions. So you have to upgrade your service instance. Okay. If you want to upgrade your service instance, you can come here, you can select appropriate latest version and you can click on upgrade instance. As we are already in latest version, that's what it is not enabled. Okay. If it is, if you are in previous versions, it should be enabled. You have to click on upgrade instance. Once you click on upgrade instance, upgrade activity will be start in within your service now instance. Almost it will take 3 hours time to upgrade your service now instance. Okay. Regarding upgrading your service now instance, you don't require to do anything within your personal developer
Three,
instance.
seven.
This is a this activity will be taken care by the service now and it will auto upgrade the in back end. Once once the upgradation is completed, then you will receive an email saying that your instance successfully upgraded to Epona, something like that. You will receive email. Okay, this is about upgrade instance. Next, refresh instance. So you can see when you click on refresh instance, it will refresh your instance. When you click on refresh instance, it will refresh your service on instance. Okay. These are the different instance options. So here, if you have any queries, let me know. From this instance options, if you have any queries, ask me.
No, Anji.
Okay. So I'm okay.
So, I have one thing. So, this Activate plugin, where do we use this these plugins which we purchase or which we get free? Where do
So
we use
if
this?
you want, if you want to few new functionalities which is not available by default. If you want some functionality which is not available within our instance by default. Okay, at that time we have to activate the plugin, the related application related plugin. Then you will get all those related functionalities. Got it?
Uh, can I get an example of it, Anji?
Hmm. So for example, as I explained earlier, so we have discovery application by default. So basically these all applications are not installed in our Servicenow instance by default. Okay, these are not installed. Maybe I want to work with the discovery part. So I'm just trying to check any application related to discovery DIS. No, nothing will be here, nothing will be there for the discovery related application. Then I have to activate this plugin. Then all applications modules related to discovery application will retrieve within our service for instance. Okay. So basically, most of the plugins are the paid plugins only. Okay. Got it?
Yes, yes, got it. Thank you.
Yeah. The installation of these plugins, I will teach you in the going forward classes. Maybe after 30 days, you will get this concept from the syllabus, plugins concept.
Sh-
Okay.
Sure, sure.
Okay. Just closing this. Closing. Hmm. And next one is, so we have seen how to change the password, right? I will also tell you how to change the password in another way. How to change the password in another way. You can come to this all. You can come to this all. You can type users. You can type users. You can scroll down. Under user administration, wait. We have users. You can say under user administration. we have users. I'm just clicking on the users. So for example, our user ID, our login user ID is admin, right? I'm just filtering that admin record. Here we have some gear icon. Here we have some gear icon. You can click on gear icon. You can bring password field to this list view. Password. I'm just bringing the password field to here. Okay. So you can come here. You just double click on this password field and you can enter your own password. Okay. Double click on this password field and you can enter your password. Then you can click on tick mark. Yes. Then our password will be successfully changed. This is another way of changing password from the list view. Users table list view. Okay. And third way, I'm just opening this user recording form view. Just changing this user recording form. You can say here we don't have change password option. Here, sorry, here we don't have option called password. Here we don't have field. Password field is not available. Password field is not available. So if you want to bring password field, we have to update one system property. You can come here. So sys underscore PROPERTIES dot list. So these all shortcut options we are going to discuss in further classes. Okay. You don't worry if you have any queries, you may go with uh, this class recorded video and you can try navigating. This is the system property we have to change. If you want to show password field in the user table, you want to show password field in the user table. This system property we have to update. I'm just mentioning this system property, and so we have to make it is true in small letters. Okay. So then password field will be appear in the user table form. Copy verb. So I'm just pasting here. Save. This is the system property we have to change. Then you can come and refresh here. Password field will be visible there. You can type your password and you can save the record. You can save or update the record. Got it? We have three ways. One is from user profile change password. Another one is from directly providing the password, new password here, or maybe from list view. Okay. These are the change password, few more change password options. So yeah, almost I have covered about all instance related options. So if you have any queries, ask me. So generally on daily basis, so we are going to discuss about a regular class for 1 hour. Okay, 6 to 7. From 7 to 7:20, we are going to take upon your queries. If you have any queries, okay, that I'm going to explain you. Okay, if you don't have any questionnaires, then I will utilize that 20 minutes time for again for class explaining some concepts. Got it, everyone? 6 to 7, I will take the regular class. 7 to 7:20, we are going to discuss about the questionnaires, your questionnaires. If you don't have questionnaires, again the 20 minutes also regular class. So as we just started with Servicenow trainings, so I'm trying to close the session at 7 or 7:05 a.m. Okay, going forward, so I will utilize entire 1 hour 20 minutes time. Okay, yeah. If you have any queries, ask me. I will explain you. Otherwise, you can drop off. Wait, I will tell you when you drop off. Okay, so I'm just taking the attendance. In tomorrow class, we are going to discuss about user interface. In tomorrow class, we are going to discuss about the user interface. So once you have seen the user interface concept, then you will try to understand from where I'm navigating to explain something within our Servicenow instance. Okay. Yes. And whoever planning to continue the classes and not share your details. So please share your details to this email address or this mobile number. Okay. Please share your details immediately if you are trying to continue the sessions. Please share your details to this email address. Okay. Like I haven't received details from you of you. So please share.